8th class student, exercise 4C. Question number 1. Question number 1 is cube root of 64. You write the equal. Sign is cube root. Do the factor. Factor will be 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2. Cube root. Show pair will be 3. Same. Find out the one from the pair. First 2, second pair 2, multiply by 2 to the 4. 4 is cube root of 64. Question number 2, it is same. Question number 3. Question number 3 is cube root of 7 to 9. Do the factor. 3 into 3. First pair and second pair will be factor of 729. Find out the one from the one pair. 3 3 is 9. 9 is cube root of 729. Fifth part is question number 5 is cube root of 9261. Do the factor. Factor will be 9261. 3 3 is 9. 3 8 is and 3 7 is. 3 1 is 3. 29. After 3 3 is 9. 3 4 is and 3 3 is. 7 divided by 7 7 is 49. Factorize the 3 into 3 and 7 into 7 into 7. Make the pair. Pair will be same is 3. First pair from the 3, second pair is come from the second pair. 7 2 is 7 3 is 21. 21 is cube root of. Sixth question is 496. Cube root of 496. Here write the prime factor of 4096. Divide by 2. 20 48 divide by 2 10 24 divide by 2 5 1 2 divide by 2 2 5 6 and 2 divide by 1 2 8 2 divide by 64 and 2 divide by 32 2 divide by 16 2 divide by 8 2 divide by 4 2 divide 2. Factor will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 factor will be 2 into 2 2 into 2 pair will be first pair, second pair, third pair and fourth pair. Come out the 1 2 into 2 first pair, 2 second pair, 2 third pair and 2 fourth pair. After multiply is 4 4 ja 16. 16 will be cube root of question number 8. 8 is cube root of 3375. Do the factor. Divide by 5. 5 6 ja 30. 5 7 ja and 5 5 ja. Divide by 5. Divide by 5 is 135. Divide by 5. 3 divided by 27. 3 3 ja 9. So now factor will be 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 5. Make the pair 3 into 5. After multiply is 15. Question number 8 is complete. Question number 11. 11 is these questions are minus only one line in change. Cube root of minus cube root of minus 1331. Minus put the outside from the cube root. 1331 minus is do the factor. Factor will be 3 times of 11. Make the pair pair will be 1 pair. 11 is come out from the question number 11 is complete. Minus 11 is cube root of minus 1331. Question number 13 is 13 and 12. It is same, cube root of 125 upon 126. Cube root prime factor of 125 is factor 5 into 5 into 5. 216 factor will be make the pair numerator in 5, denominator will be 2 and 3. After multiply 2 3 is 6, 5 upon 6 cube root of question number 14 and 15 it is same. Question number 14 is only change by minus. Cube root of minus 27 upon 125. Minus put the outside the cube root. Now 27 upon 125. Do the factor. Factor will be 3 into 3 upon 5 into 5 into 5. Minus is outside, pair 3 and 5. 3 will be numerator and 5 will be denominator. Question number 16. 16 will be, you can cube root of 64 into 729. After factor will be, do the prime factor, or you write the two part 64 multiply cube root 729. Cube root of 64 factor will be 2 pair is, and 729 factor will be 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Make the pair 2 into 2. Multiply 3 into 3. 2 2 is 4 and 3 3 is 9. After multiply 36. Question number 17. 17 is minus, put the 18 question is minus 512 upon 343. Minus put the outside from the cube root. 512,343. Do the factor 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2 upon 7 into 7 into 7 minus make the pair will be 2 into 2 into 2 after find out the one pair from 1 upon 7 minus 2 to the 4 to the 8 upon 7 is cube root of. Thank you.